YJHD here, hope you're all doing well. So you're probably questioning, why am I sitting in the corner of my house in front of the camera dressed up like extra? Well, as you can see by the title below, I will be doing a glammed up makeup look today. I had no idea what I was going to do at the start of the video, nor did I know during the video. This is the look that I'm going for today. It's a blue eyeshadow look. I'm going to be focusing this entire video on the eyes, and the rest of my face will kind of already be done before and also after the video as well. So it's mainly focusing on the eyes and the eyebrows. I'm definitely challenging myself with putting some color onto my eyes, as well as putting some liner on, and also actually putting something at the bottom of my eyes, so like on the lower lash line, as well as mascara on my lower lashes. Yeah guys, this is just a whole big jump into this video, but if you do want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Bye! Okay, so you guys are up close and personal now, so I'm going to get started with this look. I decided to zoom you guys in because it is based on the eyes, so I did want to make sure that you get the most out of it. So let's just get started. I've got like a huge bag of like brushes that I have never touched, or I have, but it's been quite a while, and then another bag of brushes because I was like, I don't know what I need. I don't do eyeshadow looks every now and then. I literally only use one eyeshadow brush, and that's just to blend out my neutral. So yeah, that says a lot about me. Obviously I left my bronzer upstairs, which I was going to use as a gradient, but let's just do whatever. So I think I have to like put all my brushes everywhere first and then get this done, because I am like struggling to find stuff right now. So I'll just be right back. I think I'm just gonna go in with doing my brows first, just because I want to make sure that the whole look is balanced out before I go in with some eyeshadow and then completely like make it too extravagant on the eyes, and then my brows can't balance it out. So it's pretty worn out, but I'm taking my Maybelline brow pomade. This is the Tattoo Brow, and this is in the shade dark brown. And then I'm just going to be taking an angled brush like this, and I'm just going to be doing my brows. Probably comb them out first. You can see, but I'm just going to be filling in the sparse areas. So making sure that the arch and the tail are quite filled in. And then just following the actual natural line that's going on, just so that I don't overdraw or anything like that. And then when I come towards the front, I also don't take extra product. Oh, the sun's coming out. Yeah, I don't take extra product when I get towards the front. I use whatever is on the brush, and then I just, with that same angle, push it upwards and give it that natural feel. Looks very weird right now, but that is basically it. I'm just going to do the other side. I think that they look pretty even right now. Let's just move on to the eyes, finally. So to get started, I'm going to be taking this palette over here. This palette is actually from Kmart, if none of you guys noticed, and it is actually really amazing. Like, it's super pigmented. I always reached out for like drugstore products when it comes to the smaller stuff, so like brow pomades and eyeshadows, maybe even lip colors, bronzers and stuff like that. The only thing that I've ever gone high end on is foundation and powder. I'm going to be taking I think I'll be taking this shade over here, which is a neutral brown shade, and I'm going to be putting that into the crease. I'm going in windshield wiper motions when I'm working in the crease, and then as soon as I get to the corner of the eye, I like to do like round circular motions, just so that we can like buff out the edges. Can you just see like how pigmented this is? The fact that the color just actually went on without having to dip into the color again to build it up. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so you guys can build that up if you want with the same shade. I'm going to go in with another shade and build that up. I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, which I've had for the longest time ever. And I'm going to be taking this brown shade over here. This again is quite pigmented, so just do take, actually this color over here, it's like a chocolate brown. It's actually the perfect brown. I'm just working this in circular motions towards the outer V, but also bringing it up in the outermost part of the crease, and just in like creating some depth. So just going to do the same thing on the other side of my eyes. I'm going to be now using this Max and More palette. going to be taking this yellow shade over here. I'm going to be putting this in the innermost part of the eye where we haven't actually touched any shadow on. Over here. And then bringing it in closer to the eye. So this one definitely needs quite a few taps into the product. It's not as pigmented. I think that is pretty even, so now we're going to actually move on to the color, which I'm very scared about. Okay, so I tried focusing the blue, but it was not working. But I think I'm going to be going in with these blue shades. So now it's just like, which one? I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be taking this dark blue shade over here, which is probably really like a bad idea. But I'm going to try and intensify the crease area just a little bit before I go in with the lighter blue over here, which is a little bit more shimmery. Oh, this one over here. Okay guys, I think I'm going to put the blue eyeshadow into the outer V, and then I'm going to put it in the inner V, and then obviously blend it in the middle as well. And then I'll focus the lighter glittery more shade in the middle. So let's just see how that goes. Okay guys, change of plans. I'm going to bring it in the innermost part of the eyelid. I'm just going to keep building it up until I get the intensity that I want. I think a bit of liner and some mascara might help though. I'm going to go in with this BYS matte eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking the black shade over there. And I'm going to be taking a small brush that is, you can't focus, and I'm going to be creating just like a smoky liner. Not okay guys, I'm gonna check on some mascara right now, and then we'll kind of see if it helps the look out just a little bit, because I do feel like I kind of look emo. Like I'm just done with the eyeshadow and the liner, and now I'm like, I don't know. I don't know if it's because I'm not used to it, or if it's just I did it wrong. That's it. So I'm going to be taking my Maybelline New York Colossal mascara. This is in this smoky black one that I used in my previous video, so if you haven't seen that, do check it out. I'll link it up here. Oh, almost poked my eye. I did poke my eye. My eye's crying, and there's mascara on the bottom of my eye. I did go ahead and put some mascara on the bottom lashes as well, just because I did want to make sure that the look was as balanced out as possible, despite the fact that I didn't like it. I didn't like it when I put color onto my eyelids, so may as well have just gone ahead with it anyway. I'm gonna go put on my outfit and then put on some jewelry as well, just to give it that Indian touch, and then I'll be right back in. Okay guys, I feel like just because I changed where the camera was sitting that this whole look has gone out of whack and I just look completely different. But this is the finished look. I decided to wear my blue sari and then pair it in with some gold earrings just to match it with the border on my sari, and then I put on some highlight and some blush and then a lip color to match the eyeshadow look. I kind of like it. I don't hate it. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, or even just give this video a like and let me know if you like it as well. But yeah, now I'm gonna go make some TikTok videos because I'm getting like a Jawani hair divani sort of vibe, so yeah, I'm gonna go do that right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this look turned out somewhat nice, and if it did, like I said, do comment it down below or just give it a like. And yeah guys, share this video, subscribe, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.